This is an engine treatment oil. It is designed to be put in the engine with the oil so that it will give some treatment to it. As you can see, it helps the engine run cooler and quieter. That means you will have a smooth engine when you use it. And the next one is, it is formulated to treat the engine, not just the oil. And the second one is, it helps reduce heat and friction, a major cause of engine sludge. And the third one is, it helps extend fuel economy and oil life. So I am using this one for my engine, and I will just put some of it, maybe a quart, in order to be mixed with my engine oil. Can put something. So I have to open it. I had to put some of it. That's enough for now. Now we will put back this. I'll put the cover also. I had to check the oil. Yeah, I had just enough. Put it back. And let's run the engine. Now I will run the engine. Now it is running.